Lamy is at it again with a fun collaboration. Let's unbox the Lamy Harry Potter Nexx fountain pens. A new Lamy collection inspired by the wizarding world. This time, the Harry Potter collection from your much-loved Lamy brand is combined with one of their best beginner or student fountain pens, and an excellent everyday fountain pen for anyone. It's lightweight but sturdy, and it has a triangular barrel shape. The cap is a compression cap. The Harry Potter versions have the emblem of each house on the top of the finial, and the cap matches the color of each house. They're cartridge converter fountain pens, and Lamy is a proprietary brand, so you'll need to use Lamy ink cartridges or get a Lamy converter to use with your Lamy Nexx fountain pen. The first one we checked out was the Ravenclaw. The second one here is the Slytherin. They also have a Hufflepuff version. Each of the pens in the Lamy Harry Potter Nexx collection reflects the house details in the cap, like this Gryffindor version. And then on the barrel, at the end of the barrel, it says Harry Potter because that's the collection, and then it indicates the house name. Hopefully you enjoyed taking a look at the new Lamy Harry Potter Nexx fountain pen collection. Choose your house or get them all and call it a mood. ShopPenchalet.com.